We use the garage more than we use probably any room in the house. It is our weekdays, it is our weekends.
Really good day.
So I started spending more time in the garage, but the more time I spent, the messier it got, the more disorganized it became, to where probably the last year, I would walk in there and things were so like chaotic.
We had no organization, no system whatsoever, and it made no sense, especially for a guy who's like into 8,000 things and is also by nature not very organized. So it was just getting to be too much.
You move that in front of the window.
So then it was going to be Rowdy's 50th birthday, and I knew I was never going to get him to agree to it, and went behind his back and started this whole thing. But I knew he would be okay with it.
You know you've gone too far when you reach the Spanish instructions.
But when she presented it to me, it was like, where are they gonna put this? Or like, I had so many, I was super uncomfortable. I went in at night and just stayed in there most of the night and started going through stuff and looking at all their like cool baskets and hooks and all their accessories. And so then I saw their system. It's like all my screws are here, everything was so organized the way they put it in the bins that taking it out, I was really stressed about. But when we started taking it out, it had a place. Like, it was kind of incredible.
It is aesthetic as well as functional.
Like, that relieves so much stress. Like, that's when I realized that it was a great idea.
He's going to live in there.
Like, I spend a lot of time in the garage.
We're garage people.